at home and you think you don't have equipment to work out, think twice. Here I'm going to show you how we're going to use the stairs of your society, building, apartment, wherever you are. Just use the stairs to do an awesome workout. So here we go. This is a 15-minute circuit training and you can repeat this at least 3 to 4 times. Yeah? Ready? Here we go. So we're going to be running up and down the stairs at a very quick pace and we're going to do 20 repetitions of this. This really challenges your heart, gets your heart racing for our next exercise. Once you're done running, we're going to do inverse lunges. What we're going to do is use the stairs as a raise for our leg. We're going to balance our back leg. Now if you have really long legs, you could also use the third stairs. If you got smaller legs, you could use the second one. And if you're not used to a high intensity workout, you could use the first stair. What you're going to do is just go down and come up. Go down and come up. When you go down, you breathe up. Come up, you breathe in. You got to remember that your knee has to go as close to the floor and the knee in front does not go beyond the toe. We're going to do 20 reps of this. For high intensity, I've kept my leg on the second stair. Our third exercise is for our obliques and our side. We're going to be working on our core with a step up. So we keep up our heart rate. We don't stop pumping our heart. We keep challenging it and we work on our side. It's almost like an aerobic exercise. You come up, raise and come down. Come up, raise and come down. Now if you want to intensify the exercise, go on to this next step. Raise and come down. Go up, raise and come down. Remember, when you come up, you have to squeeze your sides. If you want to work on your arms at the same time, you can also push up and come down. Push up and come down. And our fourth exercise, we're going to work on our triceps. We're going to use the stairs to give us some height. Make sure your legs are on your heels. Make sure your butt is a little ahead of your hands. Remember that your palms have to be in line with your shoulder. You go up. All you have to do is bend your elbows. Don't forget to breathe. 5, 6, 7. You can do 10 reps for beginners. If you find this easy, you'll probably lift a leg and do it. This way, you sort of give more focus on each muscle group. So that was our stair workout. Here's coming for more. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.